How do you get barbecue sauce out of a tablecloth? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you 3 tips. Keep watching. If you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach traditional homemaking for today's woman. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking, cleaning, and laundry, hit that subscribe button and double tap that double bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. And we are back in the laundry lab, and in today's video I have got barbecue sauce on one of my good tablecloths. And I thought I would show you how to get that out. So tip number 1 is to rinse it. So let's go over to the sink and we'll take care of that. We're going to give it a rinse and a little scrub. It looks pretty good. I don't see any of the stain of the barbecue sauce in here at, oh wait, yes it is. When I put it up this way, I can still see there is a little stain from the barbecue sauce. Now, here is the problem with barbecue sauce. Not only does it have a color to it, typically some kind of a red color, which for the most part we've gotten out, but so often there's also a little bit of an oil base in the barbecue sauce, and you have to address that as well. So now that we've rinsed it, tip number 2 is going to be to treat it, and we want to treat it with a degreaser, like a dishwashing liquid or something like that. So I've got a solution that I have put together right here, and it is made from 2 ounces of vinegar, 2 ounces of dishwashing liquid, which is a degreaser, and then 2 ounces of water. So we're going to put that on this stained area. And then we're going to soak it. So there's just the faintest outline of the stain about right here. And whereas it's not very easy to see now, when it dries, it would be apparent to me. So I want to get that off. And the nice thing about this stain remover that I'm using is that it is all natural. So like I said, the nice thing about this is that it's all natural. And I am really trying to get more into using natural products. So I'm going to give it a little scrub now. And sometimes that's what you need to do, is just give it a little scrub and then just kind of let the product sit on it or let it soak in that. So now that I've got it on there, I've given it a little scrub, I'm going to let it sit now in a solution of water with my stain remover in it. And once again, the stain remover is 2 ounces of vinegar, 2 ounces of water, and 2 ounces of a degreaser like dishwashing liquid or Dawn dishwashing liquid or something like that. So now let's put it in to soak. And I put a little bit of the stain fighting solution in the soap water just to kind of give it an extra boost. So we'll let that soak for about 20 minutes and then we'll see what's what. All right, let's take a look at it. It's been soaking for 20 minutes. And whereas the stain was almost out, I wanted it completely out because when it dries sometimes, you know, it shows up again. So let's just see how things are looking. It's gone. So that faint hint of stain that was still residual is now gone. So now let's throw this in the wash and we'll see what's what. But again, the problem with barbecue sauce is that not only is it a little greasy, but it also has some color to it. We've got all the grease out, and we've now got the color out. Let me not forget to say that I got the idea for this natural stain removing product from John Mahdessian. He is like one of the managers or the operator for Madame Paulette's. It is a old dry clean establishment in New York City, and he was on the Rachel Ray show, and they were talking about stain removal tips, and he gave this formula for a natural cleaning product, and it works. So I'm sharing it with all of you. So now let's get this in the wash. So now I'll get the detergent in. I'll put a little vinegar in the fabric softener cycle just to add that extra boost, and then we'll see what's what. So now we'll let it do its thing. All right, so let's see how this tablecloth looks. I think it looks pretty darn good. I don't see a hint of barbecue sauce or grease anywhere. It turned out nicely. So this natural solution of vinegar, dishwashing liquid or degreaser, and water really worked very nicely. So my 3 tips on how to get out barbecue sauce out of your tablecloth is to rinse it, treat it, and soak it, and then throw it in the wash. So it works. I hope you enjoyed today's session in the Laundry Lab. I always enjoy trying to solve your laundry problems. So what are your laundry dilemmas? Tell me in the comment section below. And maybe next time when we're in the Laundry Lab, I'll be answering one of your laundry questions. And if you like this video, you might want to check out my How to Get White Shirts White. I will link it above with an iCard and also put it below in the comment section. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I have managed a home for more than 45 years. So I've done a lot of laundry. So if you want to learn more about traditional homemaking, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you next time in the Laundry Lab.